Hey guys, so I'm making this quick video for you on how you can reset the Breville Barista Express. It's super simple. So first, have it completely turned on, and of course, have it turned on. The one thing that you want to do is you want to have all lights on. Then you just want to press and hold the program button for 3 seconds. When you're going to press and hold it for 3 seconds, it's going to beep like 3 times. After the third beep, you're going to release it. Then you're just going to unplug it from the outlet. You're going to power it off, outplug it from outlet, plug it back in, and this is what you're going to do. Anyhow, it's going to fix it. So that's how it's going to be unplugged. So again, you're gonna turn it on, have all the lights on, then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and then all is going to beep for 3 times. Then you're gonna turn it off, unplug it, and then plug it back in, turn it on, and it should work. And of course, unplug your machine, remove water jug, empty jug contain a refill water cleaner to reset jug, plug in machine, press the factory reset. So these are the things that you can try to do. And have a great day and goodbye.